Explore the top sublimation printers that are easy to use, affordable, and perfect for beginners. These models offer reliable performance and quality prints, helping you start creating custom apparel, mugs, and personalized gifts with confidence. Starting at number 1, Epson Surecolor F170. The Epson Surecolor F170 Sublimation Starter Kit is an all-in-one sublimation printing solution ideal for beginners and small businesses looking to create custom printed products. It includes the Surecolor F170 sublimation printer, along with a full CMYK ink set, sublimation paper, tape, and a design pack to help you start printing right away. Also included is a 10-piece sublimation tumbler pack so you can begin creating personalized tumblers, mugs, and other items without needing additional supplies. Designed for ease of use and reliable performance, this starter kit gives you the tools you need to enter sublimation printing with confidence. Whether you're making gifts, promotional products, or starting a creative business. Number 2, Epson EcoTank Photo ET855E. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 wireless wide format color, all-in-one super tank printer is a high-performance, versatile printer, ideal for photographers, creatives, and home offices that demand professional quality prints. Featuring Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system with large refillable ink tanks, it delivers dramatically lower running costs and includes enough ink to print thousands of pages right out of the box. This all-in-one model handles printing, scanning, and copying, and offers wide format printing up to 13 by 19 inches, making it perfect for posters, photos, and large documents. Built-in wireless connectivity, Ethernet support, and a vibrant 4.3-inch color touchscreen make setup and operation intuitive and flexible, while advanced precision printing technology ensures sharp text and vivid, gallery-quality color output. Sleek and capable, the ET8550 is a powerful choice for anyone seeking outstanding photo and wide-format printing performance. Number 3, Epson EcoTank White ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 wireless color, all-in-one cartridge, free super tank printer in white is an affordable and user-friendly home printer that delivers reliable printing, scanning, and copying without the hassle of traditional ink cartridges. It features Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system with large refillable ink tanks that come with enough ink to print thousands of pages right out of the box, significantly lowering ink costs over time. With built-in wireless connectivity, you can easily print from computers, smartphones, and tablets, and its clean white design fits neatly in home offices, study areas, or living spaces. Simple setup and intuitive controls make the ET2800 an excellent choice for families, students, and everyday users looking for dependable performance and low operating costs in a basic home printer. Number 4, Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 wireless color, all-in-one, cartridge-free super tank printer in black is an affordable and user-friendly home printer that combines reliable printing, scanning, and copying in one compact device. Featuring Epson's cartridge-free EcoTank system with large refillable ink tanks, it includes enough ink to print thousands of pages right out of the box, dramatically reducing ongoing ink costs compared with traditional cartridges. Its built-in wireless connectivity lets you easily print from computers, smartphones, and tablets, while the sleek black design fits neatly into home offices, living spaces, or study areas. With simple setup and intuitive controls, the ET2800 is an ideal basic home printer for families, students, and everyday users seeking dependable performance and low operating costs. Number 5, Epson Surecolor F170. The Epson Surecolor F170 dye sublimation printer is a compact and user-friendly printer designed for dye sublimation printing in an 8.5 x 11 format, making it ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and small businesses looking to create custom apparel and promotional products. This original OEM product comes with genuine Epson ink, a user guide, and a power cable, along with full manufacturer support to help you get started quickly and confidently. Built for reliable performance and consistent color output, the Surecolor F170 uses advanced Epson technology to produce smooth, vibrant transfers on sublimation-ready materials. Its space-saving design and straightforward setup make it a practical choice for home studios, classrooms, or small workspaces where quality sublimation printing is needed without complexity.